Hi, my name is Eric Malmgren Samuel, an experimental musician from Philadelphia who will now teach you the basics of subtractive synthesis using this tool by our teacher, Loudon Stearns, called Synth Basics at synthbasics.com if you're interested in this teaching tool. So the first of the main components is the voltage-controlled oscillator, which uses a variety of waveforms to produce the original tone that will be your synth. There's the sine wave, which, as you can see the shape of down at the left, and to the right, it's boring, and it only produces one tone, the fundamental. The saw wave looks like a saw and produces all the overtones, odd and even partials. As you can hear, it's harsher, and you can see down at the right, more partials. The square and triangle both produce odd partials only, so they're kind of in between. And noise is just like it sounds, random oscillations and noise. So let's put that back on saw for going through the next step. Let's turn on our filter, our voltage control filter, and let's use a low pass. There's also high pass, band pass, and notch or band stop, and each of them let certain frequencies through while stopping other frequencies. The low pass cuts off high and lets in low. It starts right here at the cutoff frequency, and let's see what change it does. Yeah, that's a little bit more interesting, but it's kind of dull. It dulled down that harsh saw, but not interesting. So the resonance control takes the cutoff frequency and boosts it to give it the overall shape and tone more character. So that's the basic use of filter. And then it goes on to the amplifier, voltage controlled amplifier, VCA, and there are four main periods of volume, 3 periods of change, and 1 period of holding on to the note at a certain volume. Attack is the time it takes to get to the max volume. Decay is the time it takes to get to the volume at which it stays when you're holding the note down. And then when you let go of the note off signal, release is the amount of time it takes to get to 0 volume. So let's just increase release, bring sustain down, and increase attack so you can hear all 3 stages. Note on, note off, as you can see, happened right here, and it took a little bit of time to get to 0. So now let's discuss the last and coolest thing, which is the frequency, low frequency oscillator. This is a modulator. It modulates the initial tone by using a low frequency waveform, any of the same waveforms, to alter the way this waveform is played. And let's first try a sine wave at a low frequency. It'll be kind of weird and in my opinion, really annoying, and it will it'll basically feel like a gigantic slide or a portamento. Kind of like a siren, quite annoying. My favorite, and the last example I'll give you, is a square wave at good rhythmic oscillation. Let's put it at 9 hertz, or maybe a little bit higher. Let's go to 14. Well, that's the basics of subtractive synthesis. I hope you enjoyed the course, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I look forward to your comments. Thank you.